Since Project Wickenby, the golden age of tax evasion is behind us. So back in 2004, 2005, the Australian Federal Police raided a guy and seized a laptop of an accountant, and they found all these dodgy tax evasion schemes on there, as well as a bunch of Australian people's details of who set up the schemes. That was fish in a barrel for the ATO. So instead, when they got digging, they found a whole bunch of Swiss bank accounts held by Australians. They found a whole offshore empire in Jersey, Isle of Man, a whole bunch of other tax haven countries. There were lots and lots of famous people involved, and one of the more famous people that was publicly embroiled was Paul Hogan. We also had the Van der Gould cases and the Michael Isakidis cases, both of which I went through on my podcast, Tax Law. There were more than a few accountants and lawyers that were embroiled in the scheme and lost their firms, their licenses and everything. Some might say they deserved it, but who can be the judge of that? And there were quite a few senators who were very upset at the ATO for running Project Wickenby, which is probably the wrong thing to do because it makes you awfully suspicious. Despite Project Wickenby bringing the golden age of tax avoidance to an end, you can always depend on the indomitable human spirit to come up with even more tax avoidance, tax evasion schemes. Now, there's always a line of what's legal and what's not, but it's very difficult to see in the avoidance area in particular. One thing I like to say about the tax avoidance, tax evasion discussion is tax evasion, you always know it when you see it.